NASA's Perseverance rover has just made a discovery that could change everything we thought we knew about Mars. Once thought to be a barren, lifeless wasteland, Mars is now under intense scrutiny as new evidence emerges that could rewrite the history of our solar system. Could life have once existed on the red planet? What secrets does this ancient world hold? In this video, we'll dive deep into the stunning revelations from Mars, brought to you by a groundbreaking team of Australian scientists leading the charge in this interplanetary quest. For more than 60 years, humanity has been obsessed with Mars. From the early days of space exploration in the 1960s to the sophisticated missions of today, NASA has been relentless in its pursuit to uncover the mysteries of our closest planetary neighbor. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, with its chilly, dry, desert-like surface and thin atmosphere, has long been the subject of intense study. But what was once thought to be a quiet, desolate world has slowly revealed that it may have a much more dynamic and intriguing past. Our journey to understand Mars began with simple flybys and progressed to orbiters, landers, and eventually rovers that could move across the planet's surface. The Viking missions of the 1970s were the first to land on Mars, searching for signs of life. Although those missions didn't find definitive evidence, they set the stage for the incredible advancements that followed. The Pathfinder mission and its little rover companion, Sojourner, were our first real steps on the Martian surface in the 1990s. But the real game changer came with the Curiosity rover in 2012, and now the Perseverance rover, which has taken our exploration to an entirely new level. Curiosity landed in Jezero Crater, a site chosen for its geological significance. Over the years, Curiosity has been like a detective, piecing together the history of Mars, and it has found some pretty compelling evidence. Ancient riverbeds, signs of past water activity, and even organic molecules, the building blocks of life, have all been discovered. These findings have led scientists to believe that Mars could have once supported microbial life, making it a prime target for future exploration. But the story doesn't stop there. NASA's Perseverance rover, which landed on Mars in February 2021, is on an even more ambitious mission. It touched down in Jezero Crater, a site that scientists believe was once a lakebed filled with water. Billions of years ago, this ancient environment might have been the perfect place for life to thrive. Perseverance is equipped with the most advanced suite of scientific instruments ever sent to Mars, including tools designed to search for signs of ancient life. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of the Perseverance mission is its ability to collect and store samples of Martian rock and soil. These samples are expected to be brought back to Earth in a future mission, allowing scientists to analyze them in ways that are simply not possible with the instruments on the rover. This is a critical step in answering the big question: was there ever life on Mars? In addition to its primary mission, Perseverance is also testing new technologies that could be vital for future human exploration of Mars. One of these is MOXIE, an experiment designed to produce oxygen from the carbon dioxide-rich Martian atmosphere. If successful, this technology could pave the way for astronauts to generate their own breathable air and rocket fuel directly on Mars, making long-term human missions to the red planet more feasible. Another remarkable addition to the Perseverance mission is the Ingenuity helicopter. This tiny rotorcraft has already made history as the first powered flight on another planet. Ingenuity's success demonstrates that we can explore Mars from the air, opening up new possibilities for scouting future landing sites and discovering features that are difficult to reach with ground-based rovers. But the most thrilling revelation from Perseverance comes from the recent 360-degree footage it has captured. This footage has provided an unprecedented view of the Martian landscape, and within it, scientists believe they have found evidence that could suggest the presence of ancient life. The rover has identified intriguing rock formations and mineral deposits that are often associated with water, and where there was water, there might have been life. Jezero Crater, with its ancient river delta, is a geologist's dream. The sediments deposited here could be rich in organic materials, and the presence of clays and carbonates makes it an ideal place to search for fossilized signs of life. Clays, in particular, are known to preserve organic matter on Earth, and their presence on Mars is tantalizing. Carbonates, which form in the presence of water, could also hold clues to the planet's climatic history and whether it had conditions favorable to life. The Perseverance rover's discovery of these materials is significant because it suggests that Mars was once a very different place. a place where life could have potentially existed. The presence of phosphates in the Martian soil is particularly exciting, as these are crucial components of DNA and RNA, the molecules that carry genetic information in all living organisms on Earth. If Mars has phosphates, it may have had the right conditions for life to start. But what does this mean for our understanding of the universe? If life did exist on Mars, it would suggest that life could be more common in the universe than we previously thought. It would mean that life is not unique to Earth, and that the processes that led to life on our planet could have occurred elsewhere. This discovery could have profound implications for our search for life beyond our solar system, in places like Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, or Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, both of which are believed to have subsurface oceans. Perseverance's mission is also crucial for future human exploration of Mars. By studying the planet's geology and climate, scientists can better understand the challenges that future astronauts will face. For instance, the extreme temperatures, radiation, and the thin atmosphere are just a few of the hazards that must be addressed before humans can safely live and work on Mars. The data collected by Perseverance will help engineers design habitats, life support systems, and other technologies necessary for long-term missions. The rover's exploration of Jezero Crater is just the beginning. As it continues its journey across the Martian surface, Perseverance will drill into rocks, scoop up soil, and search for those all-important biosignatures, the chemical and mineralogical evidence that could indicate the presence of past life. Each sample it collects is carefully stored in a special container, ready to be sent back to Earth by a future mission. These samples could provide the definitive proof we've been searching for, showing that life once existed on Mars. However, the search for life on Mars is not just about finding microbes or fossilized remains. It's about understanding the broader context of life in the universe. If Mars once had life, what happened to it? Why did Mars transform from a warm, wet planet with a thick atmosphere into the cold, dry world we see today? Understanding these changes can help us protect our own planet from similar fates and guide us as we explore other worlds. One of the most exciting aspects of this mission is the possibility that Mars might not be as lifeless as we think. While Perseverance is primarily focused on finding evidence of ancient life, scientists are also keen to understand if Mars could still harbor life today. Could there be microbes living deep underground, in pockets of water beneath the surface? The discovery of recurring slope linea, RSL, dark streaks that appear to flow down Martian slopes during the warmer months, has fueled speculation that liquid water might still exist on Mars, albeit in very small amounts. If so, this could be a potential habitat for life, and a future mission could be designed to explore these intriguing features. But the implications of finding life on Mars extend far beyond the scientific community. Such a discovery would resonate with people around the world, changing the way we view our place in the cosmos. It would raise profound questions about the nature of life, our purpose in the universe, and the possibility of life elsewhere. It could even influence the future of space exploration, driving us to explore other planets and moons with renewed vigor. In conclusion, the discoveries being made by NASA's Perseverance rover are nothing short of groundbreaking. From the possibility of ancient life to the testing of new technologies that could one day support human exploration, this mission is paving the way for a new era of space exploration. The evidence gathered so far suggests that Mars was once a habitable world with the right conditions for life to develop. As Perseverance continues its mission, we can expect more exciting discoveries that will bring us closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Stay tuned as we continue to follow this incredible journey. The Red Planet has many secrets yet to reveal, and who knows what Perseverance will uncover next. What we do know is that every discovery brings us one step closer to understanding Mars, our solar system, and ultimately, our place in the cosmos.